I'm going to show you on how you can change any image, remove the head and put another head without making any mistake. And I'm still going to share this app with you for free. These two apps I'm going to share there with you for free on how you can get there, and the link to get there I'm still going to put it in the comment section or in the description of this video. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video like this, you will be the first person to see it. Don't forget to hit on the like button so that people that like this type of video will have access to it. First thing, we are going to make use of this app, this particular one here. We are going to make use of it. After you have opened it, what you're going to do next is that you come to this edit, then you open it. Once you open it, what you are going to do from here is that you select the picture which you are going to use the head of. Picture when you want to use the head, so you are going to select it from this app here. So I will select one from here. So I've selected this picture now, and I want to make use of the head only. So what you will do from here is that you are going to be scrolling this icon at the bottom. You are going to be scrolling it to this side until you see the particular one you are going to use. So let me scroll it and I will show you the particular one you are supposed to use. So you are going to use this one here, which is AI cut. You are going to use this one here. So after touching it, you wait until the background will be removed. So we'll now wait for the result. Remember, within this process, you need network to access this particular part. So after doing that, what you're going to do next is that you touch on this optimize. So after you have touched it, it will open something like this to you. Here you will see eraser, repair, and size with this offset. So you are going to touch on this option here, this circle, because this circle with this one here, they move together, they work together. So you bring it down here and clean the body, because you don't need the body part, you don't need the side of the body, you only need the head. So you are going to clean everything that concerns the body. Remember, it's not only this image you can use any type of image. So you make sure you clean it and make sure it's only the neck that is showing. You must make sure the neck show, and you make sure that you clean the parts of the shirt that are in the neck side. So after doing that, you touch on this option which is showing good here, you touch it. And after you have done that, the next thing you are going to do is to come to this option next. You touch it. After that, then you come to this apply. You come to this apply to apply the effects. So you can see I'm applying it now. So after that, you touch on save to save that part first. So after saving it, so you are going to touch on this home. When you touch it, you go to this option showing edit. After you touch it, then you select the image you want to use the body. and you are removing the head. So I will select this particular one here because I'm using the body of this image and I'm removing the head. So what you will do next from here now is that you will come to this option here, this icon at the bottom, just the way I did the first one. So you will scroll everything to this corner to select the rightful one you are going to use, which is the icon. So when you scroll it, you will see something like this showing AI cut art. So you touch it again and wait until the background of the image be removed. You wait until the background of the image is removed. So you wait for the scanning. So you can see that the background of the image have been removed now. You come to this optimize to remove the head because you are only using the body. So after touching the optimize, remember this dots I told you the first time because they work together. So I'm going to remove the head from here now. So I'll touch the dot to remove the head. You can see I'm removing the head now. So after removing the head, what you are going to do from here now is that you touch on this mark here, which is showing good, to apply the effect. So I've applied it now. From here you touch on this next. So after you have touched on the next, then you come to this option here showing apply. So you apply it, you apply the effect, the edit, everything you just did. After that what you are going to do from here now is you come to this option showing save, then you save it. You save it. So after saving it, what you're going to do from here now is that you go to the other app. Here is the other app. Here you can see the logo. Remember, I'm dropping the link in the comment section there, in the description of this video, for you to have the access to download the two app. So you open it. Once you open it, you go to this gallery. From the gallery you select the same image you are using the body, not the one you are using the head, but the one you are using the body. So you select it. So from here now, what you are going to do is that you come to this option showing tools. You touch it. After you have touched it, you will see something like this showing remove, enhance, expand, and many options here. So what you are going to do from there is that you will screw this option to this side until you see the particular one which you are going to use. So I'm going to screw it there. From there you see this one showing cut art. This particular one showing cut art, this option showing cut art here. So you are going to touch it to remove the body from the background. So after you have touched it, the next option you are going to touch is you come to this detach, then you touch it. You wait a minute until the successful load. So after the loading, you will see something like this showing on the screen. You will see something like this showing on the screen, showing subject and backdrop. So what you are going to do from here now is that you touch on the subject, then you bring it down. You can see that I've removed the body from the background. So what you are going to do from there is that you touch on this option showing good to save only the background. Here now I've applied the effect showing only the background. Then from there you touch on the good again to apply the effect for the second time. Then after that you come to this save, which this option showing at the top there. You touch it, you minimize to the other app. So we are now in the other app. What you will do from there is you come to the edit again. After you have touched it, you are going to make use of the background first. So you touch on the background, the one you remove the body from. You touch on the background. So after that, what you are going to do from there is that add image from this option here. You screw it to this side. So I'm going to screw it to add image. So I'm going to add the body, the half body and the head only, which is the two image. I'm going to bring the one of the head and the body together from here now. So I'll touch the two. So after touching the two, you can see the two options showing here. You can see the two options showing here, the head and the body. So you will arrange the two together from here now. So the first thing you are going to do is that you touch on the body, then you bring it down. After bringing it down, you touch on this option to zoom it. So you can zoom the image from there. You can use your two hands to zoom it. You can use your two hands to zoom the image. So after zooming it, you bring it down a little where you will have access to the head. So you bring the head to the other side. Then you zoom the head again. So after zooming the head, you come to this option where you can flip head to the other side, which is to do the horizontal or vertical of the head. So you come to this option here. You come to this option here, which is horizontal. You touch it to change the direction of the head. So you can see that the head are face the other side, which is the direction of the body. So after that, what you are going to do is that you touch on the image, you bring it here, then you touch on the body, you add it to the image. So after you have added the body to the image, so what you are going to do from here now is that you touch on this save, you touch on the save option, So you first of all save it. After you have saved it, then you touch on the home again. You touch on this home. So after you have touched it, you come to this option again. From this particular option now is where you are going to make everything to be smooth, to be nice, so that any error will not show behind the image or inside the image. So what you are going to do from there is that you select the complete head and the body. You add together both the background. So you select it again. After selecting it, you look for enhance from here, from this option at the bottom. You screw it to this side and look for enhance. So I'm going to screw it, and here is the enhance. You touch it, then you wait for the app to enhance the image and the background together to make the image to more neat, to make everything more clearer and shining. So that is why you touch on that enhance. So from there now, after you have passed through that enhance process, it will show something to you like this, where you'll be seeing after and before. This before mean before you bring the image to this enhance process. Then after is this option showing here. So what you are going to do from here now is that you screw from here to the other side, which is to the before. You screw from the middle to before to make the image neat and clear. So I'm going to screw it to this side now. From here, and I'm going to touch on this option here, screw it to this side to apply the effect. So I've changed it now. You can see that everything is now shining. So what you're going to do from there, after you have done that, you touch on the apply again, you touch it there. From there again, you touch on the save. After that, your image have been successful, be changed from that particular person to another one. So you're going to touch on the image from here, and you can also go to your gallery to view it, because it has already been saved in your gallery or your file manager. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you don't understand any part of this video, you can drop your comment in the comment section there, and I will come to answer each and every question there. Like the video, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.